Hello guys, welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide, and right now we will have a 101 trading tips video. So this will be another tutorial for our beginners to understand. Our topic for today is to understand candlestick. So this will be a Tagalog and mixed English presentation. So ano po ba ang mga candlestick? Actually, candlesticks shows the emotion by visually representing the size of the price movement with different colors. So we have the green candles, and this means that the price is going up, pataas po ang presyo. And normally, pagka nakakita tayo ng red candles, it means that the price is going down. So we have 6 important keys to understand the candlestick and the pattern. So this will help us to know kung anong possible mangyari sa ating presyo, since as a traders, we are predicting what will happen to the price if it is go down or goes up. So, tingnan natin ano ba yung mga importante na dapat nating tandaan. So, first of all, we have the long wick candle. So, this candlestick have a longer tail. The longer the tail, it is better since there is a possible change of the trend. So, ganito po ang ating mga longer wick na mga candles. This is the important na may mga buntot siya, mapa-red man yan o mapa-green. Please take note na mas maganda kapag tumitingin tayo, especially gusto mong makita if there will be a reversal. It's better that you check it if it is the longer the wick, the candle that with a longer wick are in support or resistance. Some other candles are known as doji, at meron pa tayong mga long wick candle. So once you see it in a support and resistance, there is a possible changes. Later on, we will discuss it in our chart in trading view. Then next is the inside bar candle, where its high and low are contained with the previous candle. So meaning mas maliit yung sumunod na candles. So there is a possible na kailangan makita mo to. There is a good sign sa ating technical analysis. So, isa yan yung inside bar. But it doesn't mean na magkakaroon ka agad ng reversal. But it's a good sign that there will be something happen in the trend. Okay? Ang kabaliktaran ng inside bar candle is yung momentum candle. So, the candlestick where its body is bigger than the previous candle's body. So, dyan mo makikita kasi pag-uusapan natin yung mga momentum ng candle. So, ibig sabihin, for example, we have a red candle. What does red candle means? Red candle means that the price is in a bearish scenario. But, since you see a bigger body of a candle, there is a changes of the market trend. Possible, mas marami na ngayon ang nagbabay doon sa asset na yon, sa stocks na yon, or doon sa crypto na yon. Okay. Dito naman, kung makikita mo, nagkaroon ng changes, merong bumibili pero yung momentum niya medyo mahina. Okay, so yun yung inside bar candlestick. So, multiple candlestick rejection kapag marami kang nakikita mga long wick candle. So, possible nagkakaroon ng consolidation, tawag ng iba is price build up, and definitely possible na magkaroon ng changes din sa market trend. So, isa yun. So, dapat nating tandaan. We have also the shrinking candles. Ang shrinking candles is yung malalaki yung mga body ng mga candles. So, katulad yan, green. Pero, sumunod na candles, maliit na yung green niya. At sinundan pa ng mas maliit na body ng green. So, yung momentum ng pag-akyat ng presyo ay bumababa. Nawawala. So, possible, hindi na siya umangat ng husto at magkaroon na ng reversal of trend. So, isa yan sa mga dapat na tandaan natin kapag tumitingin tayo ng mga candle natin. Okay? Tapos, bigyan natin ng mga examples. So, klaro na tayo dyan. Yung mga combo ng pattern na yan, pwede natin tignan. Ibig sabihin, katulad dito, nakakita tayo ng shrinking candles. Ibig sabihin, lumiit, no? Lumiit. Yan. Lumiit siya. tapos nagkaroon pa ng color change. I-discuss din natin, once na nagkakaroon ng color change, isa yun sa mga tinitignan natin. Okay, ang color change ay number 6 category. So after consecutive one color candlestick at nagkaroon ng changes, nagpapakita rin ng pagbabago ng momentum. So kung mapapansin nyo, kahit dito yung sample dito, nagkaroon ng color change, green siya. So paangat ang price, paangat, tumama sa resistance natin, and then naging pula. So possible changes na yan ng trend natin. So bukod dito, makikita mo nagkaroon din ng shrinking pattern, tapos long wick rejection. So ito yung mga long wick natin na rejection. So nagkaroon tayo ng pattern, dito, candlestick pattern doon sa 6 na pinakita natin kanina. So that is very important to memorize that 6 keys of understanding our candle. So for example, this one, kung makikita mo, nagkaroon din ng shrinking candles, lumiit yung candle, tapos nagkaroon pa ng long wick, ito, tapos candle color change, yan, from red naging green, and then yung momentum ng ating candle. Ang nag-confirm yan actually ng pagtaas ay ito. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo dito, nagkaroon ng inside bar. Ito, inside bar. Tapos, mas malaki yung naging body dito. Yun yung pangatlo na nagkaroon ng confirmation. Meron din tayong long wick candle rejection. Okay, dito. Sa sample na ito. Una, yung color change. Yan, nagkaroon ng color change. Tapos, multiple rejection. Ang daming dalawa actually. Okay, yung ating doji, isang green tsaka isang red. So, isa rin yan sa pwede natin tignan. So, technically speaking guys, once na na-memorize natin itong importanteng pattern tungkol sa candlestick, like long wick candle na nasa support and resistance, inside bar candle, then momentum candle. Meron din tayong mga multiple candle rejection, ang daming doji, ang daming long wick candle kang nakita. Then we have shrinking candles, lumiliit na yung mga candles, nababawasan na ang momentum, o kaya nagbabago na yung kulay, maraming green siya, naging red. So yan yung mga pwede nating titignan. So for example, dito sa ating Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin at USDT, makikita mo dito anong criteria. Una, multiple rejection, nagkaroon ng price build up, hindi siya nagtuloy-tuloy na bumaba. Okay, gusto niyang bumaba pero hindi siya nagtuloy-tuloy. So anong nangyari? So nagkaroon ng breakout actually. At pansinin nyo rin, ano pang momentum nito? Momentum candle, isang maliit, okay, isang maliit na candle, tapos sinundan ng mas malaki. If you remember, this is part of number 3. Okay natin. Tapos nagkaroon ba ng wick candle? Sa ngayon dito wala tayong long wick na nakita. Okay. So ito yung sample ng long wick. Tapos may multiple rejection. Then makikita mo nagkaroon ng momentum candle from bearish o from bullish. Pataas sana siya. Nagkaroon ng multiple rejection. Andyan. Kaya bumaba ang presyo. So yan yung mga dapat natin tignan. Kung makikita nyo rin guys dito, ayan, multiple rejection yan. Ito yung mga sample ng long wick color change inside bar. So long wick to, bearish, tapos inside bar siya. Maalala nyo yung inside bar, mas maliit pero nagkaroon, kaya possible ng changes. And normally guys, kapag ka nakakakita kayo ng mga long wick na ganyan, na naiipit na siya ng magkaibang kulay, normally there is a possible changes. Okay, yan, kung makikita nyo. And then dito, ayan, another yan, doon sa understanding candles natin. Multiple rejection, nagkaroon ng momentum candle. Okay, makikita nyo yan. Dito, shrinking siya, consolidation, maliliit lang yung ating mga candles. So, yung momentum nawawala. So, parang dito, gusto niya talagang umakyat. Gusto niyang umakyat. Pero, hindi niya na kayang umakyat ng gusto. Bakit? Una, yung mga candles natin lumiliit. Okay? Lumiliit na dito. Ito, lumiit na. nagkaroon pa ng change of color pero hindi pa siya tuluyang bumaba. Ang nag-confirm ng pagbaba ay dito. Ano ang basihan natin? Yung next candle actually. Tutulong sa iyo yan, yung next candle. So, dahil dyan guys, definitely, if you just understand all the 6 keys on the candlestick, like long wick candle in the support and resistance, inside bar candle, momentum candle, multiple candles, shrinking candles, and the color change, definitely you will have a solid start of your technical analysis. But I told you a start of technical analysis because this candlestick alone is a less probability of your winning rate. So it's better, as an advice, is to have additional indicator to help you for your price prediction. I hope you learn again here in Earn Money at Home Worldwide in our 101 trading tips, and please take note the 6 keys of understanding candlestick. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood here in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Next time, gagawa tayo uli ng another video, anything that we can earn at home, and also tips in our trading strategy. Maraming salamat po, and welcome again to Earn Money at Home Worldwide channel.